there it is.
We just go no, 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 no. No, we can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go, don't go. I just can't come close, come close. I'm looking for the local, local. No, I don't wanna postpone, postpone. Yeah, whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front.
Alright guys, so we're heading over to almost about to be at Copart to pick up my brand new, it's not brand new, but it's new to me, brand new Hellcat SRT Challenger. Doesn't even sound real when I say it. This is like my absolute dream car. Like, I've wanted this car like ever since it came out, ever since I heard about the Hellcat. I've always loved this car, and like once I get it, obviously like I'm gonna trick it out crazy, put a wide body kit on it, Corsa exhaust system. I've already been like geeking out over car parts and stuff for it, so I'm super excited. It's just been a stressful day. I've been up since 7 a.m. It's already 3:30 now. Just driving around different banks and you know, just trying to get the financial part of it ready, because this stuff is, you know, it's a lot of money, all right, and it's really stressful, you know, getting everything right, getting everything together. You know, it takes a lot of work and effort, and you know, I'm really glad I've got a lot of good family to help me out, you know, with getting the trailer to tow this thing and everything. I ran into so many obstacles and speed bumps just along the way today. You know, with getting the trailer, because there was a problem at the other U-Haul, and so we had to go to a different one, and then there was a problem with one of my accounts, so we had to get the money from my other account, and it was just a whole mess. But we're almost finally there, so we'll see you guys when we get there. And the pressure is real right now. I'm like it's starting to feel really real, or like really not real. Like, it's a pretty crazy feeling I'm having right now. So we'll see you guys whenever we get there, alright?
Holy shit, boys, there it is. Jesus Christ, this thing looks nice.
This thing's gonna need a nice, good detail.
We're gonna clean it today, right?
Yeah.
Sickness, dude. Legitness. They did a good job loading it.
Yeah, he definitely did a good job. Dude, I can't believe we actually got this one.
Dude, SRT red eye, red key. Dude, we got a wide body and everything. What? How's the undercarriage? Wait, I'm gonna put my vest on. Real SRT. Dude, look in the rear view mirror.
Schumacher.
Dude, oh snap. I will call you Lavender. Dude, look at that thing, man. That thing is a beast. Dude, I just look in the rear view mirror and you can see the hood scoop, dude. It looks sick, man. Dude, I'm so happy, man. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Well, it looks good. We were gonna see what it looks like when I got here. It looks good.
Front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint. I met a true bookie in the state of my mind. Now know a lot of rookies coming over for the title, but I don't wanna fight. I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah, do it for the price. Take it like a man, no, I don't take advice. Put the money on the table like a Russian with the spice. We just go no, 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 no. You just can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much just cleaning out the Hellcat right now. Whenever you get these cars from the auction, they are really messy, a lot of dirt, lots of things that you probably don't want to be touching. I'll put those gloves on, we're going to start cleaning. So he's trying to get the front bumper on right there, guys, as you can see, came with it.
Yeah, I give up on that.
You can see that right there. There's the front end right now. We'll probably just get it looking really nice. And then there's the holy grail of all engines. The Hellcat engine.
I'm just gonna pull
Probably
the
one of
trash
the
right here.
best
You bag
motors
it.
ever made in history of cars.
Alright guys, I got my glove on.
man.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad built her. 900 horses of Detroit muscle. It's a beast. Know what she ran in Palmdale?
No, what did she run?
9 seconds flat. My dad was driving it. So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line. Barely kept her on the track.
Everything is just in such impeccable condition, guys. It's amazing. It's really, truly amazing. Definitely does need a nice wash though. I mean, gosh, that's just sad. This supercharger is insane. Look how big this thing is, man. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna sound nice. Beast of a machine, guys, this is. Oh, and they got the K&N air filter with everything's nice and wired up. Super nice, guys, super nice car. This air filter, probably clean that. I don't know exactly how to clean air filters. Gonna look into that and get that going. This is kind of where the majority of the damage is. As you can see, those huge
Can you go ahead and put this to the front? This is a good piece.
6-piston brakes right there. Oh yeah, what this says. Gonna go right here with this. This is a good piece right there, yeah. Really nice, really nice. This car. And we're just gonna clean right now, guys. We're just gonna clean up the road, clean up the whips, and make it look nice. Guys, I don't know what it is with this guy, but this dude literally has a whole pile of socks. This guy like is just obsessed with socks. There's so many different kinds of colors and sizes and shapes of socks.
Put your hand under the seat and you just pull out so many more. Oh, dude, this one looks nice.
Does this lock?
Dude, look at the PlayStation sock.
Oh, sick, man!
Dude,
Whoa!
might have to pocket that for myself.
Hey, don't tell nobody.
Shut up.
Dude, look at this interior, guys. Talk about a rough night. Ouch! Wow.
Dude, there's socks like jammed up in
Actually,
the
this is a
seat.
really nice interior. It's all leather,
Dude,
very soft,
What is
but
my neck?
it's just really dirty.
Ew! Oh my god! Oh,
What? What happened?
dude,
Huh?
there's a freaking bad thing in there.
What?
Under the socks.
Oh, bruh. Dude, what the heck? These people, I really think these people lived in this car. I mean,
Yeah,
shit.
Maybe,
With $1,000 car payment?
maybe lived or maybe took a trip in the backseat.
Well,
Let's see what that looks like.
we'll definitely have to polish it. Hey, Sophia,
Look at his tongue. Hurry before you
do you want one of these?
No.
Throw it away.
Oh, damn it.
Wow, it really is a German baby.
Well, it's got some history.
Is it gonna have a future somewhere?
Yeah. No more questions.
Look if I died in that.
He loves the camera, huh? He loves the camera. Dude, I think these people were going to do their laundry or I don't know. It's just laid around everywhere.
$100,000 car needs the laundromat.
They might have had an apartment or something. I don't know. Maybe they just love the health.
here, take my-
Guys, look at this nice pair of pants. Got yourself a nice ring. Comes with a ring. It's an ugly ring. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave me a like or a comment. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this car. Would you have gotten the Challenger Hellcat? Would you have gotten the Charger? Do you guys think that I made a good purchase here? Just let me know. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're super excited to start working on this car. It's gonna be a long series. We're going to be adding a lot of different parts to it. So if you want to stay tuned and you want to keep up with the build, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.